Leslie Ware, founder of the Creative Cookie, and I'm so excited to be partnering with FabScrap on these DIY videos. Today's video is all about putting a quote on a tote because we all know fashion is the perfect way to speak up without saying a word. Last week you learned how to make your own tote. This week we're going to show you how you can put a quote on a tote using fabric markers and stencils. You have two options. You can use a tote that you make yourself by following the instructions in our video from last week. I used materials from FabScrap, or you can just pick up a tote from the dollar store, or you could even upcycle a tote that you already have. So let's grab our materials and get started. The supplies you will need for this project are a blank tote, stencils, permanent marker, a dull pencil, a ruler, and a piece of cardboard to insert inside of your bag when you're coloring it in. Pick a quote and plan out your tote. It's always a good idea to sketch your design once you figure out your quote, just to plan out how you want everything to fall or fit onto the bag. If you have to change direction later, it's okay, but it's always good to start with a plan. So grab your pencil and plot it out. Step 2, draw lines for your text and mark the center. To draw lines for your text, you could use masking tape. If you don't have masking tape, go ahead and grab your ruler or any straight edge like a book or even the edge of a cereal box will do. And you just want to draw equal lines so that you can have space to write your text. You also want to make sure that the center is marked off too. If you're doing this with a pencil, don't worry, you can erase your pencil marks at the end. Step 3, stencil it in. Using your stencils and your sketch, you can now go from line to line, kind of just using your dull pencil to trace around each letter in your quote on the lines of the bag. This part takes a little bit of time, but turn on your favorite music and zone out and get to it. Step 4, fill in the stencil. Using your fabric marker or whatever permanent marker you have, you are going to gently just fill in the pencil outline that you've created. Ta-da! Your bag is done. Now you can go ahead and add any pins, patches, or other embellishments. Another quick note, make sure you check the instructions on your fabric markers for how you set the marker and for how you care for the bag moving forward, because sometimes certain markers require things like a warm iron or even running it through the wash. So just make sure you pay attention so that you can permanently set your ink. So you're done. So we would love, love, love to see the totes that you make. So please make sure you tag us if you post to social media. Yeah, thank you for letting me share this with you. And thank you to FabScrap for presenting the series. I had a blast and I hope you did too. Okay, bye.